What is going on, lawn crew? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today, I want to talk to you guys about sending out Christmas cards and what that can mean for your business right after this. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, make sure that you show that like button some love. Be sure to check out our lawn care wear shop on Teespring. The link is in the description below. You guys are going to love the shirts there. If you enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the last few years, I have been sending out Christmas cards to my clients. At first I thought it was just, something nice to do. I didn't do it the first few years of business, but I've started to do it over the last couple of years. I think it's actually made the business relationship stronger between Lansing Lawn Service and my clients. And the reason being is I put a lot of effort into my Christmas cards, making them not of the business, but of my family. And that is the key in really solidifying that business relationship, because these are people. These are people out there that you're doing work for. They see you, and most of them actually do care if you succeed, because they have a vested interest in what you're doing. You're taking care of their grass, which means they need you to be around. They need you to stick around. So I take a lot of time and produce the best quality Christmas cards that I can. I don't go out and spend an arm and a leg, but I do take some time and make some pretty good ones. Last year's was okay. It wasn't the best. We had just gotten some family photos done. I was in like this black and white plaid shirt, and it was okay, but it was kind of dark. It wasn't very Christmassy. As you can see, I've set up the video today to be very Christmassy. I've got our lovely Christmas tree behind me. The kids and my wife decorated that this year while I was out working. We've got the Santa Claus back here that my wife's aunt made for us. She makes those for all of the nieces and nephews. Those are really cool. Then we've just got some other ornaments back here that are it's Christmas around here, guys. I mean, Christmas is what, a week or two away now? I mean, mind blown, right? So this is the Christmas card that I made this year. It's a collage of different pictures from throughout the year. It has nothing at all to do with the lawn care business, has nothing to do with their lawn, nothing. But it does have everything to do with engaging my clients into my personal life, giving them a picture into my personal life, letting them know that I'm a human being too, that I have a life too. And when you do that, there's kind of this relationship that goes on. I can tell you on probably 3 or 4 times a year, a good handful of my clients will ask me about my kids and how they're doing. They'll ask me about my wife and how she's doing. And I am more than happy to let them know how my family is doing, because that gives them a picture into my world, lets them know that I still have a life. I'm still trying to support my family, and these clients, they get that. They understand that. It's just one of the best things about this industry, especially when you're a solopreneur, because your clients have that one-on-one relationship with you, and it's just the best thing. So guys, I would really encourage you to make some Christmas cards this year. Send them out to your clients. I personally use Vistaprint.com. It's just simple and easy. I'm not looking for high gloss or high glossy back. I'm not looking for anything like that. In fact, the back on this is just matte. It's nothing fancy, so you can write on it. This one is blank. It just says Happy Holidays. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season and joyous new year. Then down here it just says Lansing Lawn Service. I'm going to write a little note on each one, just handwritten. That just goes a long way to bridge that gap from the time the season ends, late fall, early winter, to early spring when you send out your renewal letters. And they can look at this. A lot of people hang Christmas cards up somewhere. They might put them on the refrigerator. They might hang them on the mantle of their fireplace. They might hang them on a string. I don't know. I've seen a whole bunch of different stuff. But they look at them from time to time and they see your face and they see your family's face. And it's a reminder to them that, oh yeah, I got to contact my lawn guy. I got to fill out this form that he sent me to renew this year. It's just that constant communication with your clients. And Christmas cards really go a long way to strengthen that business relationship with your clients. So again, I would encourage you guys to send out Christmas cards if you don't, or at least thank you cards, something. I know guys send out thank you cards. I know Brian from Brian's Lawn Maintenance, he usually sends out Thanksgiving cards. I personally like Christmas cards. It's more of a in-your-face holiday. You know, it's on people's minds from the end of Halloween, really, all the way till December 25th and through the new year. So I kind of like to hit that Christmas one just to kind of be blended in, not too in your face, but at the same time, let them know that I'm still here. And that's what it's about, guys. It's also about wishing your clients a happy holidays, a thank you for supporting you and your family through the entire season. You know, this stuff isn't cheap for them. And so you really need to thank them for that, because that is what is supporting you, what's feeding your family. It's really important that you thank them for that. And they appreciate that. So again, just go to Vistaprint.com. They have a lot of templates that you can use. It's just plug and play, very easy. This card here took me about 20 minutes to make. You know, that includes finding all the pictures in different folders on my computer and stuff, getting them off Facebook, whatever, and plugging them into the card. And then I ordered them. It cost me like $50 for 50 of them. There's coupon codes all over for Vistaprint. You may have missed, they had like a 60% off of everything sale code, and that's how I got these for so cheap. So you guys just got to look for that kind of stuff and keep shopping throughout the year and get those good deals. That's my time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys send out your Christmas cards. I'm getting ready to send mine out tomorrow so that people will get them in time for Christmas, and it's just going to be a merry, joyous Christmas. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you when all this Christmas stuff is taken down.